Welcome to Redlands Living Done Right, where every window frames a view and every bedroom feels brand new. 372 Caprock Drive sits in one of Redlands' most loved neighborhoods, right along the South Camp corridor, close to Wingate Elementary, world-class trails, and the quiet beauty of the Colorado National Monument. Inside, a complete interior remodel gives this home a fresh, modern feel while keeping it comfortable and livable. The open kitchen anchors the main level, bright and designed for functionality, with a Geos stone island, a cooktop that has both induction and gas, along with a sub-zero refrigerator. Just off the kitchen, the dining area features a Cygnus stone bar top, perfect for entertaining. The primary suite offers privacy and light with a reimagined bathroom that feels calm and uncluttered. With 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,800 square feet of living space, there's plenty of room for everyone and everything. Perfectly split between the upper and lower levels with an extra roomy living space downstairs. Out back, the Timberline decking overlooks the greenbelt and offers extra privacy with a peaceful backdrop. And with the walkout basement below, access to outdoor living spaces is effortless. Looking for a space to stretch out, slow down, and settle in? Give me a call today.